Simply watch videos and make tons of money. Now, how cool does that sound? It's so crazy that this is possible, but it's true. This is how much I have made with these, and right now I'm gonna show you how you can do the exact same thing. Follow me closely as I reveal these websites. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video, and please like it as well because it really helps. Now, let's get started. So first of all, guys, let's connect to InstaGC, and this is the website where you can get tons of money by simply completing some surveys, watching some simple and fun videos, shopping online, and searching the web. Now, search the web and get paid. I mean, this is like a dream come true. You already searched the web all day, and now you have the opportunity to get paid for doing that. Now, that's crazy, guys. That's really crazy, but this is what I really like. This is my most valuable option to make money watching videos, guys, and that's what we're gonna do. I really love watching videos and getting paid because I can lay in my couch and just put these in the background. Sometimes I don't even have to watch them, just put them in the background and just look at this. This is payment proof on the Facebook page of InstaGC. As you can see, a lot of these people are getting money. Just look at this one, get $85 via PayPal, and just look at these amounts, guys. $100 Amazon gift card, $62 in PayPal, $79 in PayPal. So just look at these amounts. These guys really mean business. They give out money like it's falling from the trees. It's really crazy. There is a lot of money on InstaGC. Now, all you have to do, guys, here is you just have to enter in your username in this box over here, enter in your password and email address as well, or you can sign up with these Facebook, Twitter, or Google accounts. That's gonna be a faster, of course. Just click on one of these, and once you are on the inside, you will just verify your information and you will click up and get 10 free points right away. And guys, really, if all these people have made these amounts of money, you can do it as well. Nothing is stopping you guys because as you can see, there is a lot of money. A lot of people are earning. Just look at this guy, $140. I mean, there is a lot of money. And just look at this one, $240 for this guy. I mean, he really made it. He earned a lot of money for himself, and you can do the exact same thing, guys. Just follow me closely and do the work. And now, next one on our list, you can use it on the iOS and Android as well. This is App Karma. This is over at appkarma.io, and you can get money here in various ways, guys. First of all, you have these referral rewards, and you will get 30% of what your referrals earn. Now, that's some passive income, guys, and that's gonna stay with you for life. You will just make it once, and then it's gonna make money for you every day. And you have all these apps, you have these games as well. So if you like to play games, you can get some money via that as well. And just look at this, you have these achievement badges. So when you do certain milestones, so for example, install 5 apps, watch 25 videos, check in 5 times, you will increase your levels. So you will increase your reward level each time you earn a Karma Play badge, and you can earn up to 12.5% bonus each time you complete an app offer. Now, that's a huge amount of money, guys. That's some huge amount of money which you can earn on appkarma.io, and I highly suggest that you use this one as well because as you can see right away, when you sign up, you will get 300 points for yourself, which you can immediately cash out. So just for signing up on this website, you will get some money which you can cash out, and it's very easy. Just click on Get App Karma, and it's gonna go to your phone. Just enter in your phone number here. You will get a text of the app. You will get a link to download, and that's it. And just look at this, guys. 332,000 reviews on Google Play, and they have 4.1 out of 5. Now, that's crazy rating, guys. I mean, you know how hard it is to attain these ratings and to maintain them this good. These guys really nailed it. As you can see, you can play popular games, you can play some scratch cards, certain games are here, you can earn these badges, so there are a lot of opportunities, guys. Just come here and find something which is suitable for you, which you like, and it's gonna be fun as well. You're gonna make money and it's gonna be fun for you. And now, next one on the list is cashkick.com. And cashkick.com, now this is the place where you can get some cash, guys. And just look in this. Answer surveys, find great deals, watch videos, surf the web. Watch videos, guys. That's what we want. We want to watch some videos and we want to get paid via that way. And as you can see, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. You will find and complete your mission on this website, and then you will watch the earnings grow in your account, and after that, you will just cash out early, easily, and often. That's what we want, guys. Often. Often cash is the best cash on the planet. Cashkick, a lot of money is here, so I suggest that you visit these guys as well and just look at these reviews. These people are satisfied. They made a lot of money on this website, and you can do it as well, guys, if you just follow me closely and take some action, guys. Trust me, a lot of money is on this website. Go and try it out. As you can see, you will get paid directly to your PayPal account. You just need to enter in your email address over here, choose a password, and click on Get Started Now, and you will start to answer these surveys, guys. You can find great deals for cashback, and you can watch videos and get paid. And just imagine that you sit on your couch and you pull out your phone, and that money is gonna keep rolling into your account just like that. Just like that, guys. No fuss, no work, no nothing. Just plain cold hard cash for you without any work. And the last one on our list today is Super Payday Me. And of course, Pay Me, Super Pay Me. We like to earn money. And just look at this. $4 million is already paid out to their users. So that speaks for itself. $4 million, guys. As you can see, they take proud and fast payments within 24 hours. They have low cash out threshold. You can work from home and get some money. And just look at this, guys. They have generous referral program. So that's nice. That's really nice, guys. You can see here on payment proof that there is a lot of money which these guys have paid out already. And just look at these amounts. Just look at these 37,000 pages. Just click on next until you get tired. You will see a lot of these. And just look at these amounts. $8, $8, $1. There is a lot of these. So this just shows us how much money people are getting here. Look at this guy, $30 for himself right away. He must have watched videos on this website because they are really profitable on this website. You can get a lot of money using this one. A lot of money is here, and just see that all these people are earning money like crazy. On reviews.io, they have 4.8 rating out of 1,000 reviews, and on Trustpilot, they have almost 3,000 reviews, and they've got 4.5 out of 5. I mean, that's crazy amount, guys. That's some crazy happenings there. 4.5 out of 5 for such a website. It's a great rating. I can't stress enough how much money you can get with these guys. It's so good. As you can see, a lot of options, some paid surveys, a lot of surveys, as you can see, some offer walls, a lot of options here as well. Just go and take some action, guys, and you'll be rich. I'll catch you later.